So if your file is not saving inside Inkscape, like you click save but nothing happens, or it shows an error, or your work just doesn't get stored properly, don't worry. Yeah, we're going to fix it step by step. First thing first, check your save location, because sometimes the folder you selected doesn't exist anymore, or you don't have permission to write in that directory. So try saving it in something simple like desktop or documents. Next, look at your file name, because weird characters like slashes, question marks, or special symbols can break the saving process. So just keep it simple and clean. Also, make sure you are saving in SVG format first, because Inkscape works best with SVG, and other formats should be exported later if needed. Another important thing is storage space. If your disk is full, the file simply won't save, so free up some space and try again. If you're on Windows, try running Inkscape as administrator, because permission issues can block saving without any clear warning. Also, check your backup or autosave settings, because sometimes a broken backup path can interrupt saving. And finally, if nothing works, just reinstall Inkscape cleanly from the official website, because corrupted installation files can cause saving failures. After all this, your files should start saving normally again. Yeah, and you should be able to work without losing anything. Hey, everyone.